Hey there. So, you're a dental professional trying to figure out this whole social media thing. You are in the perfect place. Today, we're going to cut through all that noise and find the platforms that will actually help your clinic connect with people, grow your patient list, and really thrive. Let's jump right in. Does this look familiar? You've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I mean, the list just keeps going. It's totally normal to feel like you're drowning in a digital sea. And that pressure to be everywhere all at once, it's real. But here's the secret. Success isn't about being everywhere. It's about being in the right places. So, with all this complexity, you might be asking, why even bother? Well, because your next patient, I guarantee they are online right now, probably searching for a dentist that they can actually trust. So let's break down why having a smart social media plan isn't just some nice little extra. It's an absolute must-have. Look, social media is your direct line to your community. It's how you stop being just a name on a building and start showing the real human side of your practice. It's a place to educate your patients, to visually show off your incredible work, and it even gives your website's SEO a pretty serious boost. The trick is knowing which platform is best for which goal. This quote right here, it just nails the mindset shift you need to have. It's all about putting down the marketing megaphone, just shouting about your services, and instead focusing on building a real community that trusts you long before they ever need to book an appointment. I want you to think of each social media platform like a different room in a giant digital building. You've got different groups of people hanging out in different rooms. Your job is to figure out which rooms your ideal patients are in, and then set up your digital office right there with them. So let's take a look around. Okay, here's a quick cheat sheet for you. Facebook, that's your community hub, great for all ages. Instagram is your visual portfolio, perfect for grabbing the attention of younger adults. YouTube is your go-to educational library for anyone searching for answers. LinkedIn is all business, think professional networking. And TikTok? That's where you get to show your fun human side to a younger crowd. Now, let's dig into how to make each one work for you. First up, good old Facebook. Think of this as your digital waiting room. You want it to be a real community hub, a place that's friendly, informative, and super engaging. It's the perfect spot to build a wide local following, especially with families. The whole goal is to make people feel welcome, not like you're just yelling ads at them. And Facebook gives you some seriously powerful tools to pull this off. You can literally add an appointment booking button right on your page. You can run incredibly targeted ads to reach specific people right in your own town. You can use Messenger for quick questions and share helpful articles that position you as the local expert. It's all there for you. All right, let's switch gears to Instagram. You know the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, a smile makeover is absolutely priceless. This is your visual showcase. So don't just tell people about your services, show them the incredible transformations. And don't just list your staff's names. Post a fun picture that shows off your amazing, friendly team. Instagram is literally built for this kind of thing. You can use Reels and Stories for quick, engaging videos like a virtual tour of your clinic. Use local hashtags so people nearby can actually discover you. And use direct messages to have real one-on-one conversations with potential patients who are just blown away by your work. Next up is YouTube. And you gotta remember, this isn't just a video site. It's the second biggest search engine in the world. People go to YouTube to get their questions answered. So your goal should be to build an evergreen library of content that answers patient questions for years and years, establishing you as a trusted authority. Think about it. You can create videos explaining complex procedures in simple terms, or post powerful patient testimonials. But here's where the real magic is, the SEO. A video titled something like Invisalign versus braces in Chicago doesn't just educate, it shows up in Google search results, attracting highly motivated potential patients right from your area. That's a game changer. So what's the deal with LinkedIn? Well, think of it as your digital chamber of commerce. Now, it's not really for attracting new patients. Instead, it's invaluable for building your professional brand. Sharing a case study or posting about new tech you've adopted, that positions you as a leader. It's the perfect place to recruit a top-notch hygienist or connect with specialists for referrals. And finally, TikTok. Now, I know it might seem a little out there, but don't write it off just yet. This platform is all about humanizing your practice. A quick 15-second video busting a common dental myth or your team just having fun with a trend can do more to make your clinic feel modern and approachable to Gen Z and millennials than any stuffy old ad ever could. All right, so we've seen the what. Now it's time for the how. Instead of trying to do everything at once, which is a recipe for disaster, let's build a simple, focused plan that will take you from feeling totally confused to having crystal clear clarity on your social media strategy. Honestly, it boils down to just 3 steps. First, define a very specific goal. Are you trying to get more Invisalign patients or maybe recruit a new associate? Second, pinpoint exactly who you're talking to. Is it families, young professionals? Once you know your goal and your audience, it'll immediately tell you which platform to focus on. And third, tailor your content. Please don't just copy and paste the same post everywhere. But does this strategic approach actually work? Oh, absolutely. Let's take a quick look at a real-world case study of a dentist who stopped trying to be everywhere and started being truly strategic. So let me introduce you to Dr. Sarah. She's in a growing suburban area, and her goal was super simple: get more new patients in the door. After looking at her community's demographics, she decided to pour all of her energy into just 2 platforms, Facebook and Instagram. That's it. So what happened? Well, on Facebook, she ran ads targeting local families for back-to-school checkups. And the result? A 30% increase in appointment bookings in just 3 months. That's the power of focus, right there. And that was just on Facebook. And what about Instagram? She showcased her cosmetic work with these beautiful before and after photos. Her follower count shot up by 50% in 6 months, which led directly to a huge surge in inquiries for high-value cosmetic procedures. She literally turned social media from a chore into a growth engine for her practice. Okay, Dr. Sarah's story is pretty inspiring, but now let's bring it all back to you. It is time for you to create your own success story and go from feeling overwhelmed to feeling empowered by your own marketing. If you only take away one thing from this today, please let it be this. Do not try to be a master of all platforms at once. It is a recipe for burnout and, frankly, mediocre results. The key is to choose wisely and go deep, not wide. So here is your mission, should you choose to accept it. I want you to look back at your goals and your ideal patient. Select just 1, maybe 2 platforms and focus all of your energy on them for the next 90 days. That's it, just 90 days. Get really, really good at them. Create personalized content that truly connects with your people. And that brings us to the final and most crucial question. Based on everything we've just talked about, which platform is going to be the community hub for your families? Which one will be the visual showcase for your amazing cosmetic work? Which platforms will you master to build those relationships and grow your practice? The choice is yours. You've got this.